I want to introduce AI Access Management by Conductor One. AI agents assisting me with day-to-day tasks has been great, but my agents can't access the live data, which is what I really need for them to be most effective. By leveraging Conductor One, I'm able to enhance my agents with policy-driven, real-time integrations. My agent is able to discover the resources available to me, request new MCP tool entitlements on my behalf, and gain access to the tools in seconds. In this demo, you can see that I already have Salesforce access, so no further approvals are required. All I had to do was ask nicely. Secure, governed access decisions made possible with Conductor One's identity-aware MCP proxy embedded directly into our industry-leading IGA platform. This is what's possible when IGA meets LLM.